Hello friends, once again welcome back. Here I am in my Jhum cultivation project. After the cutting down of trees, now all the leaves have dried up and I was planning to burn it down. Today I come here to clean up the surroundings. We have to sweep off the fallen leaves, the dry leaves, in order to prevent from spreading a wildfire. So we have to sweep off at least like 10 to 15 feet from the area of the where we cut, and we have to clean all the surroundings to prevent spreading of wildfire. And here I am to sweep off now. In the afternoon it is so very windy. The wind is very strong and the sun is very hot, so I'm planning to clean up now, and in the evening when the wind is little slow, I will have to burn it down the area. And now I have to start the sweeping of the fallen leaves, the dry leaves. So here I am with my beautiful daughter Rachel and my beautiful dog Lily. So let's get into work. Here is how we sweep off the fallen leaves, the dry leaves of the area. This is the Jhum area, and all the surroundings we have to go and sweep off the dry leaves like this, neat and clean, to prevent from spreading wildfire. If it reaches these are the dry leaves everywhere, it will easily spread fire and we won't be able to stop it. In order to prevent from that, we have to sweep like this, very neat and clean, all the dry leaves into this area, and we have to burn slowly, not from downside but from upside. I have to start the burning so that the fire may go steadily from upside and may burn down all the leaves and branches of whatever we have cut down here. This is how we have to sweep off. We don't have enough tools, but we are just using a dry branches to sweep off the dry leaves like this and clean up the area so that the fire may stop in the place where we sweep off the dry leaves. So this will be our work this afternoon, and in the evening when there is no wind, when the wind is low and when the sun gets down, we will be burning down all the area, this one, and prepare for the plantation. So this is how we do. Let's enjoy it.
Khang ho đi, nay tôi thắt một cốc hàng tí.
We don't have enough tools, so we are using the dry branches to sweep off this one. It's okay. It's not a hard work, but anyway, we enjoy this, doing this in the sun. It's quite a fun. You have to sweat, you have to work. If you don't work, nothing comes. So we have to work. I have to learn how to work. This is life. Nothing comes free. This is a palm tree available here in our area. In our area there are two varieties of palm tree. One is this with thorns and one without thorns. Both can be eaten. This we have to eat the fruit as well as the stem. If we cut inside, there are tender ones. Really delicious one. Next time let me show you how to cut and eat. And there are lots of palm trees here. See that big one? I'll have to preserve it. They will bear fruit. We can eat the fruit And there are many types of uses of this palm. In olden days, our forefathers used to use the root as a cleaner to clean the utensils. And they also have beetles. Palm beetles is there. It's very tasty. We can also eat them, and they are also very beautiful. They have a season, it seems. I will be using this pine to make a fire, to start up a fire, which we commonly use to start a fire. There's lots of wax. Okay, it's okay. Now let's start the burning. It took me the whole day to clean up the surroundings of the cultivation area. We have to clear this because we have to prevent the wildfire to get spread. I hope this will prevent fire to get burned throughout the jungle. Actually, I'm waiting for the evening so that the wind is now the wind is little slow. I hope the fire may not spread with this pine wax. I will start a fire now. Now you can see how useful is the wax of a pine. Just tip a fire and then it gets burned. See. From olden days, our forefathers started using this pine to make fire, to start up a fire. So we are still using it now. It's very easy, it gets burned. And these are the roots of a pine. I will be using this too. This is also the roots of a pine tree. It gets burned easily, full of pine oil, wax. Holding this, I have to spread the fire everywhere. I have to start from the top, hilltop, because if I start from the bottom side, the flame will be very high and it may cross the area which I am cleaning. So I will be starting from the upside. Little by little I will give the flame, I will burn it, I will circle it, and then at last I will start from the bottom in order to control the heat and the force of a flame. If there are too many flames, then it will cross over the cleaning area and it will spread the wildfire. I will start burning from here, and then next I will be putting up the fire. This is my plan. If I start burning from downside, the flame will be too high and it will cross the border and it will spread wildfire. So my plan was to slowly burn down from the top, and it will get steadily burned from the downside. So the flame will be little lower. So this was my plan. I don't know how much I can save. I am trying my best to prevent from spreading wildfire. So far, no sign of spreading wildfire. tung thế nào không cả sao ra bên này lên đi thắng thật đấy nhé thầm đất quá là cái răng cồn xem cả khăn nhé hạt thì tập tất nhiều cả cái nồm thế nhiều cả thật đấy bất kỳ một gì cũng thật ra đến chứ không là được cái As of my plan, I think it worked because it helps. It very much helps. I have swept out all the fallen dry leaves in the afternoon, and now I have started the fire, and now it did not spread till now. So my plan is, I should say, it's a successful plan. And one thing, it's also very good that because burning down from top side, it burns slowly. It burns very slowly, smoothly, and it burns down all the remaining grass seeds. And whatever remaining, it burns very slowly, that it will give more fertile and it will be very nice for weeding because there will be less grasses and there will be more ash and it will be good for the plants, crops. So if I start burning from the downside, the fire will be very fast, the flame will come very quickly and it will not be able to burn down the remaining part from the bottom side. I think my plan is working very well right now. So it is burning smoothly, steadily from upside. It burns everything, the grasses, the roots, even some roots may die. This will be very fertile for the crops.